This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
What's up guys, Arifur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company name or a store name. I want to find some Australian hotel list, so I type Australia hotel list on Google. This is the wrong way because I used country name to find company or store name. The right way is you have to collect the city name from the country. At first, I have to collect Australian city list, so I am typing Australian city list on Google. Then I have to press enter to search it on Google. Then you can see the city list from the Google. Click on the any city name. Then delete your country name and put the subject on here. I want to find Australian hotel, so I delete Australia and put my subject in the keyword. Search like that. Go a little bit below. Then click on view 1504 hotels. Click on the first result. Get the company or store name. Then just click on the other results and collect all of the company or hotel name from the Google result with following my steps.